Hi, my name is Ashwin Parthasarathy. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at the University of South Florida. My work deals with developing optical and electronic instruments to make little devices that you can place on the surface of your tissue, like the head or the hand, to measure properties about the tissue. We're primarily interested in looking at blood flow and blood oxygenation. And over the past few years, we've been working on ways to make these devices smaller and wearable to use. And we have actually managed to shrink the device that we use to measure blood flow from what's about a suitcase, about yay big, to something that's about this small, that's like the size of a piece of gum, that we hope that we can place as a wearable device on a patient's head and monitor how they respond to treatment for diseases like stroke or traumatic brain injury. Well, winning the award was very surreal for me because we've certainly worked on this for a significant amount of time, but at the same time, it was like it was equal parts excitement, relief, and validation in many ways. And after I was able to share this news with my friends and my colleagues, one thing that really stood out to me is how supporting the environment here was and how people are so happy for you. So my students get to experience a lot of skills in working on this project, on most of the projects that we have in the lab. They get to borrow ideas from physics, they get to borrow ideas from biomedicine, or how light interacts with tissues. And then they get to put all of that together into a nice device. So there's a lot of electronic design that goes into it. So this ability to kind of marry different concepts together, I think, is very interesting for them. Go Bulls!